Vaishali, thank you for those kind words about me, but kinder words about our brands. And I hope that there are many more Vaishalis. We need many more Vaishalis to buy our brands and make our business more successful. Thank you for those kind words. But on a more serious note, first of all, congratulations to the graduating batch, the very first batch from what I believe will be a great institution, which is Vidya Gyan. So congratulations to all of you and a warm round of applause for graduating today from this class. This is the second Shiv Nadar Educational Institute that I'm addressing. I went years ago to talk to the MBA batch in Chennai. The director then called me for a session for an hour and a half. I was absolutely impressed with the amount of work which had been done there. And I continue to be impressed with this absolutely wonderful day today and the wonderful students that are graduating from here. So I'm sure that this graduation will be the first of many graduations for you, and you will climb the ladder of academic success, okay, in the years to come. And I fondly wish that some of you will, contribute back to academics, because we need great teachers in order to produce a great future. So I'm sure that some of you will get there. So about Vidya Gyan, this is a special school, and there are schools galore. There are public schools, there are private schools. This is an absolutely brilliant philanthropic school. Okay, this is the idea of the Nadars, which is Mr. Shiv Nadar, Kiran Nadar, and Roshni. I've known them for some time, and I'm extremely proud of the kind of things they're doing in the area of education. Whenever an institution is built, whenever a corporation is built, one word all of us look for is what we call return on investment, which is ROI. This great school called Vidya Gyan is not ROI in the sense that business people look at ROI, which is return on investment. But I believe the work of Mr. Shiv Nadar, Kiran Nadar, and Roshni Nadar will be a different ROI, which will be return on India. And I think that's the kind of work which we truly need to applaud, where people are taking people such as ourselves from the deepest parts of India and really making India a better place through education. So this ROI is truly a return on India. So this is a fantastic initiative, and almost everybody will talk about that. And I would dare say, and I was telling this to my colleague Darpan in the car when I was coming here, very few companies, very few leaders, very few families would endeavor to do this, let alone even think about it. And I think that's a fantastic thing, and it's a great initiative. I believe this Vidya Gyan and the initiatives of the Nadar family will produce the leaders for a future society. And therein will be the greatness of the country in a future world, where leaders from diverse backgrounds come together to take this company forward, to take this country forward. I'm so proud to hear that all of you have done so well. I saw in the video the comments from Shika, Vaishali, Sunil, and I'm sure that each and every one of you, the other 184, have great stories to tell. I'm told that you secured admission with scholarship in some of the universities abroad. That's absolutely fantastic. And I'm sure that with each succeeding batch, the number of people who will go out of the country to represent India and to learn a lot more from the world outside will multiply many, many fold. And that's when Vidya Gyan will truly become a global institution and not just an institution based in Uttar Pradesh or North India or in India. As you go forward, you are the first graduating batch. You have years ahead of you. As you pursue your academics, I want to give you 2-3 points of view to think about. First, degrees are important, subjects are important. But I think equally important is co-curricular activities. Equally important is extracurricular activities. The ability to be a holistic individual who's good at many things and not just one stream. That is something that I truly want you to think about. Okay? And I think that will benefit all of us. Next, wherever you are, try and work in teams. Be a good team player, be a good team leader, but most important of all, be a good team follower. In doing all those 3 roles well, I think you'll develop your personality, and you will turn out to be a great leader when you're a great follower. I think the biggest benefit you will bring to the team that you work for or the team that you represent is diversity. You come from very diverse backgrounds. And in that diversity is the richness that you will bring to the team or to the country or to society. So I truly ask each and every one of you to preserve that diversity, to be proud of your roots, and ensure that you contribute from that sense of belonging from wherever you come from. And that will enrich the team that you work for. Today is a great day, and for Roshni, of course, who is here on stage, for the Vidya Gyan Academy, for your teachers who spent 7 years sharpening you, chiseling you, turning carbon into diamond, and ensuring that you shine in a future world. But more important than all of them, and each of them is very important, Roshni, Vidya Gyan, and your teachers, I think there's one bunch of people we haven't thanked enough. And I truly want all of you to put your hands together and clap for somebody who possibly has the most investment in you, the most stake in you, which is your parents. They have contributed so much. They have sacrificed so much, they have contributed so much. Even today, my mother keeps all the clippings of all the articles which appear in newspapers about me. Okay, that's the pride parents take. And I'm sure that each and every parent sitting here is immensely proud of the 187 boys and girls in this room. And I think you will do all of them very proud. I want to end by saying, it doesn't matter where you start. Remember this. All of us start in different parts of the world. We start in different parts of the economic strata or the education strata. I'm a middle-class boy from Bangalore. When I started, I never knew what IIT was. I never knew what IIM was. I never knew what business was. I was the first guy to go into what's called a business degree and a business role. The bulk of my family is either doctors or bureaucrats. I'm the first guy who ventured outside of bureaucracy and outside of being in the medical profession. So my submission to you, it doesn't matter where you start. But where you end is entirely in your hands. Where you end is entirely in your hands. You got a fantastic break. You got fantastic education. You got fantastic exposure with Vidya Gyan. Don't lose that. Go out there, make a huge difference to the world, and all of us on this stage and outside will cheer your journey. Thank you, and all the very best.